flashing bright, zooms through streets in the dark of night. B is for boat on the ocean blue, sailing the waves with a friendly crew. C is for Convertible, speedy and fun, zooming along in the bright warm sun. E is for dirt bike, racing ahead, bouncing on trails in colors of red. E is for e-scooter, quick and green, gliding past with a quiet sheen. F is for fire truck, brave and loud, rushing through with sirens proud. G is for golf cart, small and neat, rolling down paths so soft and sweet. H is for helicopter, flying high, whirring through the bright blue sky. I is for ice cream truck, full of cheer, playing its song as it draws near. J is for jumbo jet, strong and gray, flying across the skies each day. K is for kayak on a stream, floating gently like in a dream. L is for limousine, long and wide, taking folks for a fancy ride. Hey now. M is for mountain bike, ready to climb up steep hills, one ride at a time. N is for navy ship, bold and true, sailing deep seas with the crew. O is for oak, rotor tough and bright, trekking through mud with all its might. P is for paraglider, light and free, soaring above the sparkling sea. Q is for quick taxi, zooming fast, helping you get home at last. R is for rowboat, slow but sure, gliding along the river's lure. S is for snowplow, clearing the way, pushing the snow from your driveway. T is for tractor, strong and loud, working the field, tall and proud. U is for utility truck, tough and wide, hauling big loads with strength and pride. V is for van, purple and neat, carrying friends in every seat. W is for wagon, rolling with glee, pulled by kids like you and me. X is for X-plane, flying so fast, blazing through clouds as it zooms past. Y is for yacht, golden and bright, sailing through waves in morning light. Z is for zip car, green and small, zipping past traffic, beating them all. Bumming! Now we've learned our ABCs with cars and boats and planes with these. From A to Z we rolled along, riding and learning through this song.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Goodbye.